In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up service and non-inventory items in QuickBooks Online. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top right corner, look for the small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Products and Services. This is the area where all the items you sell or use on your forms are stored and managed. Once you're on the Products and Services page, look for the New button, usually near the top right. Go ahead and click New. This is how you create a new item that you can use on invoices, sales receipts, and bills. A menu will appear asking what type of item you want to create. From the drop-down, choose either Service or Non-Inventory. Use Service for anything you do for a customer, like consulting or labor. Use non-inventory for items you buy and sell but don't track as inventory stock, like office supplies or materials you don't count individually. Next, give your item a clear name. This is what you'll see when you add it to a form, so make it specific enough that you and your team know exactly what it is. If your business uses SKUs, you can add an SKU as well, but that part is optional. Then, select a category from the drop-down. Categories help you organize and group similar items, making reports easier to read later. Choose the category that best fits the item you're creating. If this is something you sell to your customers, check the box that says you sell this product or service to your customers. This tells QuickBooks to make it available on sales forms. Now fill in the description on sales forms. This is the wording your customers will see on their invoices or receipts. Add the sales price or rate if the amount is usually the same. If the price changes from job to job, leave this blank. You can always enter the specific amount when you create the invoice or sales receipt. From the Income Account drop-down, select the account you want to use to track sales of this item. If you don't see the one you need, you can add a new income account so your reporting stays accurate. If the item is taxable, choose the correct tax option from the tax drop-down so QuickBooks can calculate sales tax properly. If you also purchase this item from vendors, check the box that says you purchased this from a vendor. Then enter the purchase description, the cost, and select the appropriate expense account that should be used when you buy it. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish setting up your item.